Hello everyone, I'm Carlos Corcoles, Product Manager at Circutor. In this video we are going to explain in a simple way what the EN 50160 supply quality standard is, how it is calculated, which parameters it regulates, and most importantly, how to check if the supply in your installation complies with this standard. EN 52160 is a European standard that defines the recommended levels of power supply quality in distribution networks under normal operating conditions. It is based on statistical calculations of certain electrical parameters, which are usually recorded in 10-minute intervals over the course of a week. This standard is used as a technical reference so that utility companies can guarantee a stable, safe and reliable service to consumers. We should keep in mind that according to this standard, frequency is measured every 10 seconds and quality events are recorded at the moment they occur. Now that we know how the different electrical parameters are calculated, let's take a look at which electrical parameters are monitored and what the recommended limits are. For example, 95% of the effective voltage values averaged over 10 minutes must not vary by more than plus or minus 10%, excluding periods with interruption. The allowed variation for frequency measured every 10 seconds is plus or minus 1% during 99.5% of the period and plus 4–6% during 100% of the period. For voltage harmonics recorded every 10 minutes, the individual limits for each harmonic up to the 25th order are considered, and the maximum limit for voltage THD is 8%. The recommended value for short-term flicker severity, which is also measured in 10-minute periods, and for long-term flicker PLT, which is calculated from a sequence of 12 PST values over a 2-hour interval, is 1 during 95% of the period. For voltage unbalance, the fundamental negative phase sequence component should be between 0 and 2% of the fundamental positive phase sequence component for 95% of the 10-minute averaged RMS values. Regarding quality events, we must distinguish between two types: events calculated by half-cycle RMS value, such as sags, over voltages and interruptions, or transient events that are detected at the sample level. The detection limits for quality events, calculated according to the half-cycle RMS value, are 110% of the nominal voltage for over voltages, between 95% and 5% of the nominal voltage for sags, and below 5% of the nominal voltage for interruption. All types of quality events must be measured and detected as specified in the IEC 61430 quality standard. As you can see, this standard is key to ensuring that the power supply is of high quality, reducing risks for connected equipment, and guaranteeing service continuity and efficiency in our installation. These recommended values are especially important if your installation is close to a substation, since you could have a high nominal voltage and easily experience over voltages, or when your installation is very far from the substation, as you could have a low nominal voltage and experience sags more easily. And now the big question: how can you check if the power supply in your installation complies with the EN 52160 standard? For that purpose, at Circutor we have developed the QNA 600, a power quality analyzer that automatically generates weekly compliance reports according to the EN 50160 standard. Forget about processing thousands of data points manually or having to learn the limits of the quality standard. The QNA does the analysis for you and clearly informs you whether your installation is within the limits of the standard or if there is any parameter out of bounds, so you can notify your electricity distributor to take actions that ensure proper power quality. In the description of this video, you'll find 2 links with more information about the QNA 600, the quality analyzer fully certified according to the 3rd edition of Standard 61430. If you have any questions, leave us a comment or write to us at info@circutor.com. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss our updates. Thank you very much and see you next time.